हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जियोग्राफिक लेसन टेक्स्ट बुक का कंप्लीट हो चुका है हमारा और इसकी एक्सरसाइज भी हो गई है। तो अभी हम वर्कबुक का करेंगे। जियोग्राफिक लेसन पोयम। सिलेक्टेड द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस एज आंसर एंड कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग sentences. Put the letter ABCD corresponding to the correct option in the box given against each question. The poet realized why the city had taken the shape it had. What seemed inevitable to the poet? The way the city had developed. Valleys are populated because water is easily available there. What logic of geography could the poet see from a great height? The majority of people love to live in cities. When the jet rose 6 miles high, the poet showed that both A and B. What does valleys in this poem stand for? Differences. ये देखते पहले. What lesson of geography did the poet learn and when he flew about his city? ये आपने देख लिया ना. DABCDA. As the poet flies in a jet, he noticed that the cities below were not properly planned. He understood that it was inevitable, an uncontrolled phenomenon from a height of 10,000 feet. He noticed that valleys were populated. It was quite reasonable and understandable. It was a complication of the geography that people should settle down in places with flat land and plenty of water, food. It is quite illogical why people hate and kill one another. It is greatly inhuman because of the tiny extent of the earth. Okay, after next, what does the poet think when he goes up in the jet? When the poet goes up in the jet and look below, it becomes clear to him why the city has developed in such a way. How does the setup on the ground seem to the poet? To the poet, the setup on the ground seems quite disorderly. What, according to the poet, is inevitability? According to the poet, the way the city has developed in inevitability, it means as the need arose, it went on developing unsystematically. Okay. Next, what became clear to the poet when the jet soars 10,000 feet? When the jet soars 10,000 feet, it became clear to the poet why cities were developed along rivers and why people inhabited valleys. Next, what logic of geography is relevant in this stanza? देख लो ये दोनों. Second, third. उसके बाद ये तीन, फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड. वर्कबुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट, सिर्फ 2 बाकी रहेगी. ओके. Okay, see, clear. वर्कबुक कंप्लीट, चैप्टर भी कंप्लीट, टेक्स्ट बुक भी कंप्लीट. टेक्स्ट बुक नोटबुक में लिखना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेंगे. बाय.